In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly incorporate a URL copying feature into your Webflow site using a clonable project. This method will help you enhance user interaction by allowing visitors to easily share links directly from your web pages. Let's jump right into it. First, we'll start by locating a Webflow clonable project designed specifically for this purpose. You can find such projects on the Made in Webflow showcase or through resources like Brick's templates. These clonable projects are essentially pre-made designs and functionalities you can import directly into your own Webflow workspace. Once you find a suitable project with a built-in URL copying functionality, go ahead and clone it into your Webflow dashboard. This initial step is important because it sets the foundation for everything else we'll be doing. Now that you have the cloned project in your dashboard, the next step is to dive into the project and identify the specific elements and code you need. First, look for the Copy Link button or block within the cloned project. This is typically a design element that triggers the copying action. Once located, you'll want to copy this element so you can transfer it to your own project. The next task is to navigate over to your target Webflow project. This could be any of your existing projects where you wish to implement the URL copying feature, perhaps on a blog post template or any page that benefits from easy sharing. Here, you will paste the copied copy link button or block into the desired page. This allows the functionality to exist visually on your page where users can interact with it. Moving forward, you need to incorporate the appropriate code to make the button work as intended. Switch back to your cloned project and explore the project settings, focusing specifically on the custom code section. You're looking for a snippet of JavaScript code placed under the before tag field. Once you have located this piece of code, copy it just like you did with the visual elements. Finally, return to your target project settings. Access the specific page's settings where you've placed your new copy link button. Here, within the custom code section, you'll also find a before tag field. Paste the JavaScript code you copied from the cloned project into this field. This step integrates the technical functionality with your newly added link button, allowing it to work perfectly. By following these instructions, you now have a fully operational URL copying feature on your Webflow site. This simple addition can significantly improve user experience by making it easier for visitors to share your content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your Webflow projects.